After years of heated debate and shifting political winds, Canada's 2022 commitment to buy 88 F-35 stealth fighters from Lockheed Martin was supposed to end a decade-long saga over the country's next-generation fighter jet. The deal was hailed as a major step forward for the Royal Canadian Air Force, promising to modernize its aging fleet and strengthen ties with key allies. But as 2025 draws to a close, the deal is under formal review by Prime Minister Mark Carney's new government, reigniting fierce debate in Parliament and across the country. Defence Minister David McGuinty confirmed the government is now considering alternatives, including Sweden's Gripen EF fighter jet, which some experts argue could offer better value and flexibility for Canada's unique defence needs. Canada has already committed to the first 16 F-35s, with deliveries set for 2026. But a mixed fleet is now on the table, raising concerns about operational complexity, training, and long-term maintenance costs for the Air Force. This review is driven by mounting concerns over cost, sovereignty, and shifting political priorities, as well as public pressure to ensure taxpayer money is spent wisely. The government faces a pivotal question. Is the F-35, with its soaring price and advanced technology, still the right choice for Canada? Or is there a better path that balances capability, affordability, and national interests? What began as a straightforward military purchase has become a national dilemma with far-reaching implications, sparking passionate debate among politicians, defense experts, and everyday Canadians alike. The F-35's price tag is at the heart of Canada's second thoughts. Originally projected at $19 billion, a 2025 report revealed lifetime costs had ballooned to nearly $28 billion. This overrun has fueled criticism that the F-35 is a financial sinkhole, diverting funds from other priorities. Prime Minister Carney's government, elected on promises of fiscal prudence and greater independence, is now openly questioning the deal. The debate has spilled into the public, with many arguing Canada's defence needs, especially in the Arctic, may not require the world's most expensive stealth jet. Rising costs and shifting politics have opened the door for competitors like Saab. The review is a genuine reassessment of Canada's strategic needs and financial limits. The F-35 is no longer the only option. Alternatives are now seriously in play. Sweden has seized the moment, offering not just the Gripen EF fighter, but a sweeping industrial partnership. During a high-profile Ottawa visit, Sweden's leaders pitched a deal: build the jets in Canada, create up to 10,000 high-tech jobs, and transfer full technology. This proposal promises Canada industrial sovereignty and a major boost to its aerospace sector. Saab's global strategy is to position the Gripen as the advanced, affordable alternative to US-dominated markets. With partnerships in Brazil and potential deals in Ukraine, the Gripen's profile is rising. For Canada, the offer means faster delivery, local production, and control over its fleet. The Gripen isn't just a counterbid. It's a fundamentally different vision for procurement and partnership. This has forced Canadian leaders to weigh the Gripen's promises against the entrenched F-35 program. The F-35 and Gripen represent two distinct philosophies in modern fighter design, each reflecting different priorities and visions for the future of air combat. The F-35 is a fifth-generation stealth jet, prized for its cutting-edge sensors, stealth capabilities, and seamless integration with NATO and NORAD allies. Its design emphasizes survivability in contested airspace and the ability to share data instantly with coalition partners. Supporters argue these features are essential for future conflicts, where information dominance and alliance operations could determine victory or defeat. The Gripen E, while not a true stealth jet, offers advanced electronic warfare, lower acquisition and operating costs, and rapid maintenance, making it ideal for defending Canada's vast and often remote airspace, where flexibility and readiness are crucial. The F-35 guarantees alliance compatibility but also ties Canada to US-controlled supply chains and proprietary software, potentially limiting independent decision-making. In contrast, the Gripen promises full sovereign control, including access to source code, local upgrades, and the ability to adapt the jet to Canada's unique needs without foreign approval. Critics warn that a non-F-35 fleet could be a liability in coalition warfare, potentially isolating Canada from key allies, while others argue that over-reliance on the US could limit Canada's independence and flexibility in global affairs. The choice is not just technical, it's a question of national identity, and about what kind of military and nation Canada wants to be in a rapidly changing world. Ultimately, it's a decision between deep integration with allies and the pursuit of greater strategic autonomy for Canada's future. Canada's reconsideration of the F-35 has alarmed its allies, especially the US. Washington has warned that the jet purchase is an international issue, even hinting at trade consequences if Canada pivots away. The F-35 is central to US-led alliance interoperability. A Canadian switch could undermine NATO unity and embolden other nations to seek alternatives. NATO partners, especially those relying on the F-35 for Arctic defense, worry a Gripen fleet would disrupt seamless operations. Canada's review is now a test of alliance cohesion versus national interests. The world is watching to see if Canada will remain a fully integrated partner or chart a more independent course. The fighter jet decision has become a symbol of broader geopolitical tensions. The fighter jet debate is as much about economics as it is about defense. Beyond the headlines and political arguments, there's a complex web of jobs, investments, and national interests at play. The decision Canada makes will ripple through the economy, affecting thousands of families and the future of the country's high-tech sector. Canada's aerospace industry is deeply tied to the F-35, with over 30 companies supplying parts and $3.1 billion in contracts supporting 3,000 jobs. These are not just numbers. They represent livelihoods, expertise, and a place for Canada in the global defense market. Abandoning the F-35 could jeopardize these contracts and future opportunities, potentially leading to layoffs, lost investments, and a shrinking role for Canada in international aerospace. Lockheed Martin argues that only a full F-35 buy secures Canada's place in this lucrative supply chain, ensuring continued access to high-value contracts and advanced technology partnerships. Saab counters with a bold promise to build the Gripen in Canada, create up to 10,000 jobs, and transfer cutting-edge technology, offering a vision of industrial self-sufficiency and a chance for Canada to develop its own aerospace expertise. Critics question whether Saab can deliver on such ambitious promises, given its smaller global footprint and the challenges of scaling up production in a new country. Canada faces a pivotal choice: remain a key supplier in a massive US-led project, or risk a bold leap toward a sovereign aerospace industry with more control over its future. The economic stakes are enormous, and the outcome will shape Canadian industry, jobs, and innovation for decades to come. The F-35 versus Gripen decision is about more than jets. It's about Canada's identity. The F-35 path means deep integration with the US and NATO, ensuring interoperability and reaffirming alliance commitments. It's the safe, predictable choice, but comes with dependence and financial strain. Choosing the Gripen, or a mixed fleet, would be a bold move toward autonomy, prioritizing Canadian control over technology and supply chains. This path risks friction with allies but aligns with a vision of a more self-reliant, independent Canada. Each option carries risks and rewards. Alliance loyalty offers security but dependence. Sovereignty offers control but potential isolation. The government's decision will define Canada's role in the 21st century. Will it remain a fully integrated ally or forge a more independent path? The world is watching. Canada's choice will echo far beyond its borders.